What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It's always me, Johnny, and today we are here with another video on lighting, because if you haven't seen my latest video, I'm gonna link it right there, right there, I'm gonna link it right there. So if you haven't seen it already, just click on the link and just watch the video, because I unboxed a new pair of lights for this channel that were gifted by my girlfriend. So in this video we are gonna test these lights, and actually I'm gonna talk about some lightings in your videos and actually in any other scene that you want to record. I don't know if I ever mentioned here on the channel, but I've studied cinema some years ago, and in specific I've studied for the role of the director of photography, and so I know a few things on lighting setup. But it's been a few years that I don't do lighting, because I'm always shooting like with one camera and it's always me to do anything around, and most of the times I shoot in daylight, so I don't need like any additional lightings. But in this video I want to try this new lighting and I want to compare it with the old lighting setup, because right now I'm still using the old lighting setup, and it's a low end and very cheap solution, because I'm using just a few lights, plus right now I'm using also my window that is right there and it's open, and outside there is some sun that comes in through the window, and so it's just helping to lit my scene. But it's not a perfect light, of course, and to help this actually I have the camera, because I think it's a good camera and is helping to put all of this together with a nice quality. But the other lighting that I'm using is just the room light that is right there above me, and actually I have 3 bulbs right on my left side right here, and one is just a smart bulb and is actually doing the purple light that you see in the background, and in fact is just pointing at the background, so on the wall. And the other 2 lighting, they are just pointing at the wall, so the light is just bouncing on me. And actually, of course, I have the PC monitor right here and they are lighting my face too. So if you put all of this together, it's actually coming out just, I think, a pretty decent result, as you can see it right now. But with the help of 2 lights, I think it's gonna be better, and actually I'm gonna redo all my setup with these 2 lights, and we are gonna see how it comes out. And actually I will do a 3rd setup, because this is the first one. You're gonna see the second one with all the lights I have here, and I'm gonna do like the 3rd one with, I think, just the 2 new lights, and we're gonna see how it looked like. And actually for the whole light setup, I'm gonna show you that right on my back there is a light right here, you can see it, and actually the other one is on my right side, just in front of the window, to maybe emulate the windows itself. So let's see how these 2 looks. So actually the good thing is that these 2 lights are just Bluetooth, and so I can just control them by my smartphone, and this is very useful and it's very easy to use. So I'm gonna light up the light in the back, and this is the light in the back, and you can see it that it helps to do some more ambient light, because I just set it up on purple, so it's just adding to the other purple bulb that is lighting the background. And actually I have the other one right here that now is lighting my face, and I think actually it's a pretty strong one, but it's not at the maximum, because I can just burn myself like this, and I'm not gonna put it all the way up because it's too much. And actually I can do like some cool looks, maybe if I do like the blue one. So this actually gives me like more of a cyberpunk look maybe, because you can see the purple, the blues, and actually we have some whites here. And you can actually see the difference right here on that side of the face, because that light is pointing at this side of the face, because the other side is just lit by the other lights. And actually you can see the difference if I just do like this, you can see it right here, it's just lighting up all my face, and I think that's a good thing. But this was just to try all the lights, and I think right now I have too many lights in this room. And I think we are gonna test also the 2 lights setup, and we are gonna see how it works, because I have always my monitors right here, right in front of me. So it's yes 2 lights, but we have more lighting right here. But before doing that, I'm gonna just tell you some info about these lights, because these are the version that you can get, I think, on Amazon. They are sometimes discounted. These are the version with 480 LEDs, so you can find some version with less or maybe more LEDs. And I think for a small room like mine, or maybe if you have a small office or a small space in general, I think these are gonna be good, because they are pretty powerful. You can set it up like very well. I think if you get the more powerful one, you have to put them like far away from you. And actually I have this one like close to me. It's not very far away. It's like a meter or a meter and a half, and it's at the minimum of the power, and it's working pretty well. But with the more powerful one, I think you have to get like a more big space to use them. This is the RGB version, and they are actually Bluetooth too. So as I said before, you can control them by your smartphone, and it comes very handy. And actually the RGB feature is a good thing, because you can do like a particular setup like this one that I did right here, and you can play with them just to create some effects, because they have also some scenes inside that you can choose, maybe the police scene or maybe the party scene that I will show you. And so they are very customizable. You can control them pretty much on everything, like temperature on Kelvin, or maybe saturation, like the hue, or anything that you can do also on your cameras. And so this gives them like a very professional look, and also they feel very professional. If you want to control them like in manual, they have 2 knobs in the back of the light, and they feel very solid, very sturdy, so they work pretty well. And actually for the price that these lights are coming, I think it's a pretty good deal. And I will leave the link below if you want to check them. And also let me know what you think about this right in the comment below also. So this could be a result by using just 2 of the lights right here, and they are both set up at 4500 Kelvin. And as you can see behind me, it's all almost black, and it doesn't look too good. And actually you can see on my face, these 2 lights are creating like some strange shadows. And so I can use just 1 light to do the key light, so the light that just lights my face, and the other one I just can use it like this, and I think it looks better. And this is with only 2 lights, and the setup is very easy, because I have 1 light in front of me basically, and 1 on my left side that bounce the lights on the wall, and so it reflects me on my face. I think this is looking pretty good. The only thing this setup is missing is just a little ambient light in the background, maybe with an RGB color like the purple right here, and because it's a little bit too black. But like this, I like this setup. It's very easy and it's very well lit, and I like the light. It just creates some strange shadows on my face, because I just did this setup in just a few minutes. But if I work just a little bit more on the setup, I think I can come out with a better setup than this. But also this one, it doesn't look too bad. And let me know down below in the comments what you think about this setup, this very, very simple setup. Remember, just 2 lights, 1 there and 1 on my left side. I think it's pretty good. Also, I can show you quickly some scenes that you can do with these lights, and they actually are pretty funny, but they work pretty well. And I will show you right now, because I can do like the police scene. It's working pretty good. You can consider that this is my window, and so you can see the lights from the police right in front of my window. Then we have this other mode that it's always police lighting, or maybe like ambulance or something like that. Then we have this one that is the just emergency lighting, I think. Then we have the party one, pretty standard, all the party lights, so the standard RGB colors. Then we have the lighting, so if we had some lighting outside, it will look like this pretty much. We always have 3 options for every scenes. This is actually included in the lighting scene, but I don't know what type of lighting is this. These were the lighting effects that these lights have already inside of the app if you download the app on your smartphone. And I think I'm gonna throw some conclusion on this video. Let me know down in the comments what is the most liked setup from you, and I will choose the one that is most liked to use on this channel. And actually I can tell you more about lighting setup if you want. And right now I just can tell you that the lighting in your videos is just one of the most important thing that you can do, because yes, right now I'm using like a professional camera, so the lighting matters, but it does until a point, if you know what I mean. But if you have like a low-end camera, or maybe if you are recording with your smartphone, if you do a decent light setup, I can assure you that the video, it will look very, very professional because of the lighting. And so before buying all of your video gear, just take a look on the lighting stuff, like video like this, and take inspiration of your future setup and just buy some good lights to light up your scene professionally. And I repeat, this is a very important thing. So that being said, I think for this video, that's all. And I hope you liked this one. Thank you for your time and for watching this one. If you liked, just hit a like button. If you haven't subscribed already, just consider subscribing right now, because it will help this channel to grow and to make more interesting content. And I think I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.